There's more!
Let's go round.
Brilliant. That was brilliant.
Thank you very much for trying to dance. The only dance tune that wasn't a dance tune.
Just did some dancing. I've been told that I was dancing to the only music that isn't actually a danceable song. It was an ode to an Agincourt. Oh, what can I see? What's going on there? I think we can see. I think there's some fighting going on. Is it fighting, Brandon? Yeah. Let's check it out. Oh no, she fell over. Oh. Keep going. Don't give up.
Look at me, kiddies. Look at Mummy.
Good. Give it a swing. Go on, swing.
Oh, be careful. Yeah, right into Brandon's face.
Don't hit each other. Yeah. You love each other. You love each other. Go ahead and hit.
First two cuts.
Yeah.
You're going to put left foot forward, or in your case, so right foot forward.
Oh, right foot. Yeah.
And you're going to go nice and high. 1, 2. A bit of a bop, then another one. 1,
Okay.
2 like that.
So like.
Yep. Nice. Wait for it to come through. There you go.
Brandon, keep going.
I like the teamwork. They're killing together.
Yeah. Teamwork. But be careful. That's I don't. Right. Careful.
They're not heavy enough. Those ones.
Yeah. Yeah. Look.
Okay. 1.
Wow.
2,
Oh, okay.
Nice.
That was very close. Careful. I don't want you to hit Kayla. You did really good. Whoa.
Well done, Kayla.
Yeah.
Well done.
So sideways and then down. And then go down. Go down. Yeah. You're doing awesome. Oh, that was right in the nads.
You're right, sir.
Well, I think I'll survive. I've had 2 kids already. I don't think I need any more. Yes!
Nice.
That's really good.
So
Yeah.
you want to go run and hit the bags.
Yeah.
Shout as you're doing it.
Yeah.
You passed it, hit the next one.
Right,
Yeah?
okay.
So you're going to go all the way around.
Whoa, did you see that? You do it with me, Brandon. Kayla, come with me. You do it with me, Kayla. Yeah, we do it together. Yeah, ready? Let's go, let's go. Go on, go on. Ah! Go on, Kayla. Big scream, big scream. Ow, that hurt. Quick. Go on, Kayla. Go on, hit it. Yeah. Go. Ah, come on, come on, come on. Kayla, quick, quick, quick. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Hit it. Yeah. Come on, Kayla, keep going, keep going, keep going. Ah, go on, Kayla. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Hit it down there. Go, go. You go in front of me. Ah. Yeah. Go on, Brandon. Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah. Oh, Brandon. Well done, Brandon. Fist bump. Yeah. So, Mrs. Morrison,
Mr. Morrison,
what do you think of it so far?
I think it's really good. It is a lot better than what I kind of thought it was going to be.
What was your impression? What do you think it was going to be like?
I just think I thought there'd be like some sort of jousting activity maybe.
Yeah.
I thought people might be dressed up, but I didn't expect there to be all these tents, games, crafts,
Yeah.
warrior training, axe throwing. They've really like got into it here, really got into it. It's brilliant.
And obviously, I am now a warrior.
We've all done our warrior training. I didn't train, I just fought. I don't need training, I'm already a warrior. I'm a born warrior.
Ah.
I just went in and fought straight away.
Yeah, well, I needed a bit of training, so I'm
And the
really...
kids.
And the kids had a bit of training. We are all now warriors. But have a look at this. They are fighting. Look at that. Train them young. Start them young. Yes. And they'll be warriors for life. It's been a really, really good day. The kids have really enjoyed themselves, and it's been quite surprising. I was actually, when I went onto the website, I saw that it was a medieval festival, and I didn't know what to expect, but to see battle reenactments, and then to actually see how they've really incorporated the kids, I think that's brilliant. When I saw the kids lining up to fight the adults, I actually wasn't aware that the swords they were using were made of like polystyrene or whatever it is. I'm not quite sure. I wasn't quite sure what they were made of. But what was really good was the fact that there was no fear, and they all had a good time. And when you're in a situation where when you're in that situation, we've got all these kids, so they don't all know each other, but they were all together, all lined up, all ready to fight. There's that pack mentality. I said to my son that next year, when he's a bit older, I'm going to get him to go and do it, because I think he would really, really enjoy it. It's been a really, really good day, and I've actually really enjoyed it. I'm actually worn out, actually. But just watching them doing like the warrior training, and now watching them do the axe throwing, these are the sort of things that they wouldn't necessarily do. So I'm really glad to see that they're actually doing it, and that they're actually taking part, and yeah, I just really had a great time. I'm currently sitting on wet grass, so maybe that wasn't such a good idea. I saw the sun and I thought, oh, it's going to be alright, but actually now my bum's wet. So that's probably not a good idea, but actually it's been really, really good. And at the moment they're doing arts and craft, so they are basically making things, and I genuinely was like, I'm tired, I just want to sit down now, find a pub and have a nice beer. That would be nice.
Anyone got any idea why it's called a pole gun? Because it's on a pole? No!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!